In the post-war streets of Britain, one vehicle stood out not just for its shape, but for how it reshaped urban deliveries. The Scammell Scarab, introduced in 1948. This three-wheeled tractor unit was affectionately known as the Scarab, a name inspired by its rounded bonnet, which resembled the wing cases of a scarab beetle. But this wasn't just a charming nickname. It was a nod to a practical and efficient design born from decades of innovation. The Scarab was developed by Scammell Lorries of Watford as a direct successor to the earlier mechanical horse, a utilitarian delivery vehicle designed in the 1930s to replace horse-drawn carts for British railways. The goal was simple: to create a compact, highly maneuverable vehicle that could hook and unhook trailers quickly in crowded urban environments. And the Scarab delivered on that promise. Under the steel cab, the Scarab housed a three-cylinder petrol engine with a displacement of 2,090 cubic centimeters, capable of handling both 3-ton and 6-ton versions. Some units were also equipped with Perkins diesel engines, offering better fuel economy and reliability. The engine was cleverly positioned low within the chassis, improving stability, a major improvement over its wooden cab predecessor. Its turning radius was exceptionally tight, making the Scarab ideal for navigating narrow city streets and busy railway yards. The vehicle's top speed was modest, but for local deliveries, speed was not as important as dependability and agility. Operators praised it for being easy to handle, reliable, and quick to connect with its trailers, a critical feature for time-sensitive freight. What made the Scarab particularly interesting was its wide range of uses. Though originally designed for railway companies, it was quickly adopted by postal services, retail delivery fleets, and municipal departments. At the height of its popularity, it was a common sight in nearly every major British city. Even more fascinating is its production story. While the standard Scarab was three-wheeled, a four-wheeled variant was briefly produced. Only around 200 units of this version were ever made, primarily for export to South Africa. These models struggled with cooling issues, and their production was short-lived, making them incredibly rare today. The Scarab remained in production until 1967, with little change to its core concept, a testament to the brilliance of its original design. It was not flashy or fast, but it was one of the most effective urban delivery vehicles of its time. Today, enthusiasts and collectors still restore and exhibit these unique machines, keeping the memory of this beetle-shaped icon alive. And if you want to see more reviews and stories about other unique vehicles like the mechanical horse or later Scammell models, let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a piece of transport history.